Penrith or Skye at Holland. This is an interruption for my stay vesting series. I promised to give another review when the pricing for Penrith is out. If you have not watched my review on Penrith, check out here. If you have not watched my review on Skye at Holland, check out here. Now, if you have enough budget for both projects, which one should you buy? Skye at Holland is going to launch lower than what I have projected in my first video. The starting price is close to 2006 per square foot. This means that the average PSF is around 2008 each per square foot. The layout for 2 bedders and 3 bedders is like mass market condo. So what I've shared in my previous video still remains. Avoid buying smaller bedroom. While this project will appeal to investors and mass market buyers because of the low quantum, you need to think about your exit audience. In District 10, in this prestigious and luxurious area, how many people are going to buy leasehold small layouts from you in future when there are so many freehold larger layout units? Remember, height does not equal to profits. Just because there is a lot of buyers buying this project does not mean that it will translate to a lot of profits. The next thing to note is that the unit mix for this project has more than 55% meant for investors. Will you still make profit out of this project? I believe so. But now we are comparing between Penrith and Skye at Holland, which is a better buy. For Penrith, prices will begin at 2437 PSF. This means that the average PSF is likely around 2650 to 2700 PSF. Now you can see that this developer is pricing this project lower because they want to attract buyers from Skye at Holland. For Penrith, majority of the unit mix are meant for own stay. This is also an area where you have strong upward trend in prices for leasehold properties. For the entry price, Penrith is similar and even lower than resale properties in the vicinity. When a new launch is priced lower or similar to the resale properties in the vicinity, you know that it has a good entry price and it is safe to enter. Now we are going to look at the demand versus supply in District 3 where Penrith resides in. You can see that for 3-bedroom units, the supply is very low in this area. You have a lot of HDB upgraders with high flat value who are ready to upgrade and buy from you in future. So when it comes to exit strategy, actually it's not a strategy, it's a no-brainer. When it comes to exit, you have price support, strong price support from HDB upgraders. Next, we're going to look at District 10, demand versus supply, and this is where Skye at Holland resides in. Well, the supply is also low for 3-bedder and 4-bedder, similar to Penrith, but for Penrith, 3-bedder is extremely low in supply. However, as what I've shared in my review on Skye at Holland, the demographics of the people, the purchasers in this area are very different from mass market buyers. What you need to think is this. When you sell the property in future, yes, you want to sell at a good price, you want to make profit, but who will be your exit audience? At the price that you want to sell, are there freehold condos with large layouts as your competitors? Will the landed property owners who want to right-size their properties buy from you when they have lived in huge layout for years? So think twice before you enter into 2-bedders or compact 3-bedders at Skye at Holland. If you have more questions, you can always ask a different kind of agent. I will see you in the next video.